today start with this session for pitch book preparation. So in today's session, we'll understand that any bulge bracket investment bank, if they prepare a pitch book, so what are the different steps involved in a pitch book, how the pitch book is prepared, what are the materials involved in pitch book preparation. So pitch book is effectively an information book, an information memorandum, which you try to take to the client, or so that the client can have an understanding of the business model of the target. That is, for example, if you're doing a buy-side advisory, then we'll go to the client and show the various targets available in the market. If you're doing a sell-side advisory, might be you'll help the target company to come up with sales document, a sale document, in which you will try to highlight that what are the key strength of this business, what is the opportunity available to this business, risk associated with this business, how the company is performing vis-a-vis other players in the market. So all those are part and parcel of a pitch book. So there are couple of exhibits which we use while preparing pitch book. We'll go through all those exhibits in today's session, and along with that, there's good amount of Excel involved. So the Excel files would be we'll be sending the files in another like hour or so. So but for the timing, I'll really appreciate if you can download session 1, 2, 3. Those are the files which I'll really appreciate if you can download those files. Session 1 is frequently used exhibits. So I really appreciate if that document can be please opened. Okay, so in today's session, we'll try to understand that how, as an analyst or as an associate, we come up with share price graph. So share price graph would be the focus of first section. Second section would be if I'm doing a company profile, if I'm making a profile for a company, then how we'll prepare broker summary, how the broker perceive, how the broker thinks about this company, how we are supposed to show that thought process through charts, through graphs, through tables. That is a part of broker summary. Then we'll understand the in-depth company profile, where we'll understand that any person who is looking for a company, what are the different things he'll normally look for in a company profile. Next, we'll see the industry analysis, that is the industry in which the company is operating. So what are the factors which we show in the industry pages? So we'll try to show some industry landscape pages. Next is case studies. So in case of any M&A transaction or fundraising activity, how we prepare case studies, what are the various elements which we include in a case study. Next, we see credentials. That is, if I'm working, for example, if you're working for Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley or UBS, and we are supposed to show that how many M&A deal or IPO deal we have been a part of, then how we come up with the credentials. So those are the credentials, whether this company is worth being part of the merchant banking industry or not, whether we should give assignment to this company or not. That's part of credentials. Next portion is league table. So league table shows worldwide what is my ranking like. So might be in Indian market, at what place is Goldman Sachs, or what place the Credit Suisse is at. So league tables provides the summary of that. Team chart shows who are the team members working in that deal, and a very small biography of the same. Next, valuation summary. So I valued company through different methodology, through different methods. So a valuation summary for the same. So we are there on slide number. We're there on 1 second. We're there on slide number 4. So whenever I try to prepare a share price graph, I try to show a comparison of the share price graph vis-a-vis the performance of other players in the industry. So that is the part and parcel of a share price graph. So if you see out here, I am trying to compare my target company is Popular. So Popular is my target company, and what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to compare the performance of this company vis-a-vis other companies. So Popular is one of the prominent bank in Europe. So we are trying to compare the performance of this company vis-a-vis other banking companies, SAN, BBVA, and we are comparing the performance of the same with banking index and IBEX 35. So that's like a Spanish index. So the IBEX is equivalent of BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE 30 or NSE 50. So it's IBEX 35. So we are trying to compare the performance of all these 5 indices. So when I try to compare the performance over last 5 years from 99 to 04, if you see out here, I've compared the performance from 99 to 2004. Then what I see that for last 5 years, the company POP is giving me a return of 33%. So the price has jumped to 33%. Okay, now see, the prices of all these banking companies are at a different level. So if I want to do an apple to apple comparison, so what I'm supposed to do, I am supposed to rebase the price. I'm supposed to base the price of all this company at a same level. So what I've done, I've rebased the price. I've rebased the price to 100. Okay, how we'll do that? I'll show you some Excel example. So might be after like 40-50 minutes, once we've gone through a couple of slides, I'll show you a couple of Excel example where you will see that how we rebase the price of all the companies at a same level. Now, if I see this particular chart, then I understand that to start with, Popular was not performing in a great way. BBA was performing really well, but going ahead slowly and steadily, Popular had outperformed BBVA. BBVA is giving me a negative return, and Popular has provided me a positive return. So if you see out here, POP is the only guy who has provided you a positive return. Rest all has provided you a negative return, and because all returns are negative, that's the reason we are showing these 4 returns in bracket. So over the last 5 years, on the left hand side, you should always leave margin for some commentary. So you'll see out here, over the last 5 years, the financial sector in Europe has decreased in market value by around 4%. Popular has shown a positive performance over last 5 years. We'll do this entire share price graph by using an Excel sheet as well. So that will be in coming steps. So might be after some time we'll do that. But for the time being, I just want to take you through a couple of slides. So I'll just wait for a minute or so. If you can just go through this chart, and you should be very familiar because this is one of the first charts shown in any pitch book. So Anand is having a query. What Anand is saying, that whether all the share prices are adjusted share prices. Yes, all the share prices are adjusted share prices, and we have adjusted all the share prices to the same base level. See, they can only be an apple to apple comparison. If share prices are at a different level, you cannot compare those share prices. For example, if I try to compare share price of Reliance with share price of Kotak Bank, so that's not possible because both these shares are trading at different levels altogether. So if I am supposed to do a comparison of these 2 companies, then what would be required? That I do an apple to apple comparison. So an apple to apple comparison can happen only and only if I can provide the share prices at the same level. So that's the reason I've rebased all the share prices to 100. And yes, all the share prices are adjusted for bonus, any right issue, any split. So that has already been taken care of. So rather, now if you go to BSE or NSE website as well, so even BSE NSE website, they automatically adjust share prices for any bonus issue or any right issue or any split. So that's been taken care of within the BSE website as well.